Hey manatees, this week we will be making a paintbrush out of things that you can find in nature. You're going to need something long for the handle, and then something that looks like hair for the end. First, you need to search for supplies, so look around and see what kind of plants you have to work with. Now you need to gather your supplies. So anything you found while you were searching that you thought might work, grab that now. Now that you have all the supplies that you'll need, you can start to build. I started by laying out all my supplies. That way I can see what I have to work with. Then I'm starting to experiment with different combinations. Once you have a combination that works, you can make that your official paintbrush. I have so many supplies that I'm just gonna make a few more, but you don't have to. Here are the final products. I'm not sure they'll work like a paintbrush, but they definitely look like a paintbrush. Okay guys, to make our paintbrush we need to search for supplies, gather supplies, and then build. But don't forget to get permission before going outside. Okay guys, I just couldn't help it. I needed to see if they would work as real paintbrushes. This is my experiment. Well, they worked. I probably couldn't get many details with them, but I made some pretty interesting lines.